Are you coding in Java and struggling to find the ideal template to guide your work? We've developed an extensive mind map that covers every critical aspect of Java development, from the fundamentals to the most advanced topics. We begin with Java Fundamentals, where you'll establish the foundation for your learning. This section introduces core concepts like data structures and object-oriented programming, OOP. Mark important points with a different color and put emojis. Next, you'll explore data types and variables, which are key to managing information in your programs. The mind map then transitions to more advanced topics in the Getting Deeper section, where you'll understand how the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, works and gain insights into memory management and basics of threads, crucial for optimizing your applications. Add useful information to the notes directly to the task. The mind map also covers the collection framework and serialization, enabling you to handle data efficiently and maintain object persistence. Additionally, you'll learn about networking sockets, which are crucial for building internet-based applications, and advanced features like generics and streams for writing more flexible and efficient code. Mark deadlines and leave comments on tasks. To help you manage your projects, the mind map includes popular build tools such as Gradle, Maven, and Ant. When it comes to web application development, our web framework section features Spring, Play Framework, Spark, and Quarkus. Change the status of tasks. We've also included guidance on interacting with databases using ORM, Object Relational Mapping, frameworks like Spring Data JPA and Hibernate, along with Java JDBC for database connectivity. To focus on a particular branch, tap on the eye. Duplicate the task and assign those responsible for the task. When everything is ready, send it by email. With this mind map, you'll have a structured and organized approach to mastering Java development. Customize it in layer to suit your needs, and elevate your programming skills to new heights.